Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this bold, bright pink look. I am going to be pulling out these videos for you guys to show you some bold looks that I've never tried before, and I'm stepping out of my comfort zone because that's what this year is about. 2019 is about consistency, not being fearful, sharing your thoughts, being bold and beautiful, honey. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up for more makeup tutorials, and if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I wanted to play in some glitter today, so that's what we're going to start off with, are the eyes. This is really bothering me, but please don't be alarmed. I was messing with it and now it's caused a red bruise on my face. I am going to be priming my lids with the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. This is the concealer we're going to be using throughout the video on the face as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and just use this since it's near me. Eyes are concealed. We're now going to go in. I have a few palettes here. I'm not quite sure which one I want to go into, but we'll see. I have the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. I have the Morphe NC palette, and I also have the Huda Beauty palette, the Mauve Obsessions. So I think I'm going to start off with the Mauve Obsessions because I hardly ever use this on my channel, but I did use this palette before. It does have a lot of fallout, that maybe that's why I don't use it, but I definitely want these dark burgundies to be in the crease because I am going in with this Stila glitter shadow. So I'm gonna go in first with this shade here. I don't think the shades, nope, they're not like listed on the back, so I'm gonna go in with this shade here as my transition shade, and I'm using my Morphe M441 brush, tapping off the excess and starting that as my transition shade. You guys, I cannot believe we're in the year of 2019. 2018 went by so fast. There were a lot of obstacles and good times and all types of stuff going on in 2018, but definitely if you're looking forward to 2019 and just being a better you, then that is the boat and the vibe that I'm on. So yeah, I'm excited about 2019. I am excited. Comment down below what you did to bring in the new year. I'm gonna go into this shade and I'm gonna take that and put that right in the crease, right under that first pink shade. And I think I'm gonna go in with another brush, a more precise brush. I'm gonna go in with my MAC 217 brush and taking that shade. And just placing it right under that first shade that we did, like directly in the crease. And I'm now going to go in with that deeper shade and put that right on top of this. And I'm just using the same brush because we're just building colors. I want to make it deeper on the end. So I'm going to go ahead and put the glitter down. This is the Stila Magnetic Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. I have it in the shade Kitten Karma. I have used this maybe once or twice. These things, glitter is not my forte. It's so messy, but I love how it looks. But we're gonna try this. And they're super pretty, easy to glide on. Like, look at that. I'm gonna try this dark shade right here and put that in the corner. I'm gonna go in with the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. I am in the shade G70 if you want to use that for a reference. All of the items that I use will be in the description box below. I think I like this foundation. I think the main thing that really bothers me is the way it pumps out, because once it's done, Like trying to squeeze this out is a hassle, but other than that, this is a good foundation. If you're looking for a sweat proof, transfer proof, waterproof, clean brand, this is vegan friendly, paraben free, 100% mineral free, mineral and talc free. If you're looking for something that is along those lines of the cleanness, then definitely check out Cover FX. It's one of the clean brands that are out there. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. I don't think I did a review of this foundation on my channel, but it's a medium to full coverage foundation, and yeah, it lasts all day for sure. Alright, lashes are finally on. We're going to go ahead and go into the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. Oh, I never said the concealer shade. It's G Medium 4, but I'll list it down below. Just going to set all of that. I don't bake, I just set. Now I'm going to be bronzing. I want to actually do a little bit more of a deeper bronze. Just told you guys, this is going to be a full beat. I'm going to go in with the Sephora palette. This is a Spice Market blush palette, and I'm going to go in to this shade right here. And I'm going to actually really like try to contour and bronze. And I'm going to mix that with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish as per Dark Deepest. I'm actually hitting pan on this. But this color like really warms me up, which is why I use it all the time. And like it's perfect for my skin tone. So if you're my complexion and you're looking for a good bronzer, definitely check out the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. But I don't know if they still have that in stock, but I do have a backup, and I think it's just dark. I think it's just dark. Like it's not dark deepest. I think it's just dark deep. But let me know down below if you've heard different. I'm gonna go in with this MAC blush in Blush All Day. I'm actually hitting pan on this as well, but it's a perfect pink tone. I'm gonna go ahead and use that. I am going to use, this is something new I have in my collection. This is the Nars, maybe you guys can see, oh, upside down. This is the Nars High Voltage Highlighting Palette. And this one's in the shade Fort de France. So I'm going to try this, but the packaging is super cute. You guys see that. And this is the shades that are in there. Some of them look a little light, but I'm going to go in with this pink one though and see what happens. I may have to wet it. So let's see. I'm going to go with this pink one. Place that on my nose. Oh, it does the job. Let me just run my brush through all three. The packaging is cute. On top of that, I'm going to go in with this highlighting shade here in the Sephora palette. Just to give it a little bit more gold to it. And I have this new Bobbi Brown, what is this? Luxe Liquid Lip High Shine Brilliance and Tint in the shade Mod Pink. I think this will go with this look. Let's see what this looks like. These are super pigmented. I swatched a few in Sephora. Look how pigmented that is. But I'm actually going to line my lips first. I'm going to go in with this Jobteblu lip liner in the shade 943 Brown Sugar. So I'm going to line my lips with this. And now let's see what they swatch really nice, but I want to see what they actually are like on the lip. Ooh, this is bright. Brighter than I thought. Let's see. They smell pretty good. They smell like flowers. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me type of tutorial. I know it's pretty extensive, but this is like something that's definitely out of my comfort zone, which I will be letting you guys see the different makeup looks that I'll be bringing out in 2019. They definitely will not be your average Joe like I typically would do. I am going to definitely step out of my comfort zone and do bright looks and bold looks and looks I've always wanted to try but just never had the courage to do it. So that's why I created this one as my first bold pink look for 2019 to set that off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like makeup tutorials, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you didn't already. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.